All right, you guys are all about the vans, so here we go. This is what we have at this meet. This is light bar and ladder Ryan. He has the action van suspension, ultimate lift, tube radius arms, and the Heim joint. Ladder and light bar Ryan. He's about to do a meat install right here. Check this out. Ryan ladder and light bar install at the meet.
What do you use for the notch?
There you go, he's ready to roll now. Might need to duct tape that. Here's the convoy. This one's action van suspension right here. There's a Well-Tec behind it. Yeah, buddy.